Hi, I'm Jack Shannon. If you're a manufacturer looking for an ERP solution that can be deployed either on-premise or in the cloud, you should read our Infor SyteLine review. First, let's talk about the name. Recently, SyteLine has been rebranded as CloudSuite Industrial, or CSI. Here are some of the topics discussed in the review. What type of companies use CSI, and what are the deployment options? How does CSI work with Infor's XI platform, and what is that platform? What's in the base package of CSI, and what optional modules are available to you? Finally, you'll learn how CSI can extend beyond the traditional walls of ERP and integrate with other Infor products. I hope you enjoy the review.